Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to humanize your MIDI tracks in Cubase. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, I have a cool melody here, world-class top melody. I'm going to play it for you and I'm going to show you guys how to humanize this MIDI sound effortlessly. Okay, here we go. So it's a very simple melody. Okay, in order for you to humanize the MIDI tracks, you gotta play with the position of the notes and also the velocity of the notes. Okay, here I'm gonna select this MIDI track right now, and if you select the MIDI track, you get this bunch of options here on the left in the inspector. You go to MIDI modifiers, you go to this button below the random and select velocity. When you click velocity, you have this minimum and maximum value. Okay, when I open the key editor, right, you can see these nodes all in the same velocity. If you want to know what are the velocity of these nodes, you can check here. Velocity 100, 100, 100, 100, and all the other nodes are the same velocity as well. Okay, so if you go to this velocity option here, you have this minimum. You can go down, below, up to 120. We just saw the velocity of these nodes it was 100, right? So I'm gonna just bring this down up to 60 maybe. So from 100 to 60, velocity adjustment will not go below 40. Okay, so 100 minus 60, 40, right? So it will go up to 40. The maximum value, let's set it up to maybe 20. Okay, so velocity is 100, it will go up to 120. Okay, and the other one is the position. Okay, position you can select here. I'm gonna set this value up to 10. Okay, and the maximum value up to 10 as well. Usually I don't go below 5, but for this demonstration I'm going to show you the value of 10. Okay, so now I'm going to play this track. Okay, now you can hear the differences in the velocity and also the position of the notes. And if you see here, the velocity and also the position of these notes didn't change, but the sound changed. Okay, but if you want to freeze this, you can go here. You can go to MIDI and select Freeze MIDI Modifier. Okay, now you can see the changes here. So that's how you humanize your tracks in Cubase. Okay, so if you guys find value in this video, please like, subscribe, and comment, and share this video to all your friends, and rinse and repeat. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.